screws and stuff here.
This is our new stove.
And the screws go in here for those side pieces.
So we have a stove in the woods right now.
Side. Yeah, if I go like that.
And this is our real one. Freedom 2. Yeah, that's sweet, man. The legs on this thing, it's an ostrich. Everything fits inside.
And that here. Pop.
We're in the shop because the trip got canceled today. We'll be out tomorrow.
What else? Oh, that's that piece of it.
So we're going over the 75-liter bag that you can see behind on our new stove. And our 20 sleeping bags and 5 boats. And trying to figure out a good day system here. Brilliant.
There. That's everything.
Everything packs in.
That closes. Oh, sorry. One more. It all fits in there nice and tight.
The legs are awesome. The legs are so good. I would give you like 4 feet clearance.
Oh, shit.
Want to say hi to Camping with Steve if he's watching.
He's watching.
We like you, buddy. So
There.
yeah, everything tags up, and so this would almost be designed to be carried on the toboggan, and
That. It's all back together. Close that up.
less than 13 minutes. Tear down and set up. Back in the bag, and away you go. Pretty good. Even if you're in a hurry. Like that. So it does pack a punch and weight, but for brilliance and technology, look at that. See you later. There you go. New stove. We'll be back.